Hey anglers! Check out the OLOLYAP fishing pole combo featuring 2 telescopic rods and aluminum reels for smooth casting. Each rod measures 6.9 feet and collapses for easy transport and storage, perfect for travel. The aluminum reels offer a 5.2 to 1 gear ratio with 16 pounds of drag strength for reliable control. This set includes 2 fishing lines, a variety of lures like minnows and crankbaits, hooks, and a handy carrier bag to keep everything organized. The metal foldable rocker arm is interchangeable for left or right-handed use, enhancing comfort and versatility. Whether you're fishing in freshwater or saltwater, this combo kit is designed to handle any environment with ease. Get ready to enjoy a hassle-free fishing experience with everything you need in one compact set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.